cleaning up after the chickens. Sorry guys if this is like a bad angle because I'm trying to do this one-handed. All on the grass as well. They do make a real mess, but in my opinion they are worth it even without laying eggs. I'm going to put you over here just to watch the chickens while I do it a little bit better. Oh, there is one right here, she is. I'll put my phone here. She's gone now, but there we go. I'll leave that there. I'll just clean up the stones. Right guys, I can now show you. I have got all the stones away from here and over there. They're right now back up in here. But I used to have a chicken coop here before, so you can see all this bedding which is slowly but surely decomposing it. We're just hiding the stones on the top. But yeah, I'm sorry if she walked off, as she's a broody hen right now. And she didn't really think she knows where her eggs are gone because I just collected them in that basket. But yeah. Yeah, she keeps flying around, she is. But yeah, guys. I know this is kind of a random video, but I'll see you next one.